I'm a YouTuber, all the way from Jamaica. Yeah, anywhere I see these toys and stuff, I can't just pass it. When I see you having that, I know that content creator because that's professional. Yeah. That's when you're gonna do the great work. Yeah, so bless up y'all. So you having fun? It's my first time seeing the beach, so I'm actually doing a little bit of vlogging, and I'm trying to hit my 200K subscriber in a few days. So let's see. What's your Instagram? Can I give you a shout out?
Sure. It's Melissa K. Bernardo.
Oh, Melissa K. Bernardo?
Yes.
All right. What about you? You care to give your Instagram out? Give a shout out?
Sure. It's yada.g.
Yada.g. Okay, what about you?
I'd rather not.
All right, no problem with that. But I must say you guys are beautiful. Hello, good day, bless up, respect. I'm from Jamaica and I thought the sun was hot. I was wrong.
Never seen the beach?
Huh?
Never seen the beach?
No, I'm in Jamaica. I thought the sun was hot in Jamaica, but I was wrong. Until I get to Orlando, the sun is different.
You don't have an ozone layer.
Huh?
You don't have an ozone layer.
Well, trust me, years of different kind of sun. I've been in Jamaica for so many years and I never got any sunburn until I get here. I'm Kingston and Clarendon. Yeah, you been to Jamaica before? Your family's from Jamaica. They probably watch my channel. Yeah, so big up and respect. We are about to enter the beach and it's all about Ocean Drive Beach. You know what I mean? Let's go. See what the beach looks like over here in Ocean Drive. No joke, no doubt. Let's do this. So big up to everybody who subscribed to the channel. You know what I mean? If you're new to the channel, please, I'm asking you to subscribe, like the videos and thing. You know, Jamaica walk by a tour the world right now. You know what I mean? Bringing the entire Jamaican vibe to the world. Excuse me, since you're on the phone, can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't mind?
Sure.
I gotta ask, you know, if you don't promote yourself, it won't work. So my channel is Jamaica Walk By.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you could subscribe and watch my video. Have you been to Jamaica before?
No.
No, you heard about Jamaica though?
Yeah, I know Jamaica.
All right, one love. So please, how's the beach?
It's nice. I mean, I visit here. I don't live here either.
Oh, you visit? Where are you from?
I live in Italy.
Italy. I touch it for Italy again.
Yes.
That is it. So I'm a YouTuber and I'm checking what the beach looks like.
Well, I think it's nice so far.
Think it's nice. You take a swim?
I will.
You will.
Me.
All right.
I have to.
Do you mind giving you a shout out on the Instagram or TikTok if you're on there?
Sure.
Yeah. What's your Instagram?
It's just Sarah Fitch 11.
Surf?
Sarah Fitch.
Oh, Sarah Fish 11.
Fitch 11.
Fetch.
Fitch. Like Abercrombie and Fitch, if you know that brand.
Oh yeah. Nice. Well, thank you. I hope you watch my channel if you want to see what Jamaica looks like, the vibe, the culture, the food, and we're taking it globally.
For sure,
you know, and I appreciate you being human and talking to a complete stranger that you first ever seen for the probably never see my face again until they watch my video. I'm a cool guy.
Yeah.
Trust me. But if you're gonna watch Jamaica Walk By, you're gonna see yourself in the beach at Ocean Drive.
All right, I'll have to check that out.
One love.
Lovely meeting you.
Thank you. Remember, Jamaica Walk By. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Yeah. Me ask them general. Hey bro, where is the most festive part of the beach? That way or just go to the end? All the way down?
To the ending, yeah. South Point.
Oh, so just go that way and go down?
Yeah, we just came from the South Point.
Lots of people and stuff?
Yeah, there's a good amount of people in that area.
Go over there and go to your left. It's on the left side.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, man.
Vlog? Is that for
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By?
Yeah, that's it. So you're in my video. Respect. So they say I should walk down this direction and then walk back up. It's on my left, so let's go. So Massive, this is not a narrating video. It is not a narration channel or anything like that. We just walk and show the natural ambiances of the world. That's it. You know, talking to people, reason with people, anything goes. You know what I mean? We try our best to not cut out nothing at all. Just give it the natural, raw content. Only thing, it's beautiful. Yeah. Let's see. All right. Oh yeah. So let's walk the beach. So they say I should go here. Yeah, I can see loads of people on the beach. This is gonna be a brilliant walk. So we're just walking on the road here of Ocean Drive Beach. You know what I mean? It's gonna be great. Let's see what the beach looks like. So as you can see, the beach actually have loads of different compartments or entrance and things where you can actually walk past and enter the beachfront area. So this is like the dock area or I just said the walk area. So we're going down a little bit further and then head on to the beach. So please, massive, if you're watching, please, I'm asking you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, remember hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a video, please. So turn on your notification so each time I post you can get the notification and you can get to watch the videos in. Yeah man, that is it. So most of these areas that I realize is like the back of a hotel or a motel or a villa. So yeah. Yeah man, so let's go. The beach is actually packed, so I think I might enter it from here. So yeah, I'm gonna enter the beach from here. Alright, so yeah. So they have these things on the floor to make walking on the sun easy breezy. Yeah, very good invention. Oh yeah. Yeah, this beach is massive, like super big. Miami Beach. Let's go. I'm gonna go right to the docks over there and then walk all the way back on the beach. Go in that direction. The beach is ram-packed. Give it to him, bless up. You still get it. And I got that on video. Oh God. So I'm just going right to the end and then make a U-turn and video the shoreline where everybody is at. Oh yeah, camera, do some footage and stuff down that side and thing. Yeah, alright. YouTuber. YouTuber. See me over there? Yeah. You're a content creator?
Kinda.
Kinda. Do you mind? I'm a YouTuber. All the way from Jamaica. Yeah, anywhere I see these toys and stuff, I can't just pass it. From I see you having that, I know that content creator because that's professional. That's when you're gonna do the great work. Yeah, so bless up y'all. So you having fun? It's my first time seeing the beach, so I'm actually doing a little bit of vlogging, and I'm trying to hit my 200K subscriber in a few days.
Oh,
so
wow,
let's
awesome.
see. What's your Instagram? Can I give you a shout out?
Sure. It's Melissa K. Bernardo.
Oh, Melissa K. Bernardo.
Yes.
All right. What about you? You care to give your Instagram out? Give a shout out?
Sure. It's yada.g.
Yada.g. Okay. What about you?
I'd rather not.
All right, no problem with that. But I must say, you guys are beautiful. Hello, good day, bless up, respect. I'm from Jamaica, and I thought the sun was hot. I was wrong.
Never seen the beach?
Huh?
Never seen the beach?
No, I'm in Jamaica. I thought the sun was hot in Jamaica, but I was wrong. Until I get to Orlando, the sun is different.
You don't have an ozone layer.
Huh?
You don't have an ozone layer.
Well, trust me, years of different kind of sun. I've been in Jamaica for so many years and I never got any sunburn until I get here. I'm from Kingston and Clarendon. Yeah, you been to Jamaica before? Your family's from Jamaica. They probably watch my channel. Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, once you say him there, you say, I meet Dad, I meet Jamaica Walk By on the beach. And they'll be like, what? Yeah, I haven't told anybody that I'm gonna be here because, you know, yeah, so I'm just trying to do some content and then drop it. But I must say, you guys, girls are beautiful. Make sure you take care of yourself. Continue being humans, like having random conversation to make life continue, right? That is it. So the channel is Jamaica Walk By. I'm gonna follow every single one of your Instagram, and I share stuff for free. So if I see you posting your content, you can always ask me, can you share this for me? Because I'm over 100,000 something on Instagram and the rest of the media.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so I do these kind gesture for everybody.
Thank you.
Blessed love and respect, all right? Thank
Bye,
you.
nice to meet you.
All right. Beautiful. So nice. So one thing I realized over here, if you approach the people properly, they will actually talk to you and be respectful and stuff like that. So you can't deny that based on the videos, you know. So you can pretty much approach anybody. Like I think the culture is pretty much different because they're more used to the media and the camera life and all of those stuff. You just cannot go wrong any at all. Trust me, you can't go any at all. Why me did things in Jamaica hot? When I see me a cool off, come out and sun. Trust me massive, the sun up boil up. I swear to you. Nossa! You can't manage to walk in that sun, it's wicked. But we are going, it's a vibe same way. But me I take a little bit of cooling. Oh no. Woo. Let's go. Yeah, the heat is super hot. See most of these people just lying down in the sun like it's nothing. This is massive. Oh my word. So hot. Hey, I saw your setup. What do you do here? TikTok videos?
No, I'm an intuitive massage therapist.
Oh, I'm a YouTuber. Jamaica walk by. So I'm just doing a walk by. So you do it right here? You do it right here on the beach? Oh yeah. What's your Instagram? Can I give you a shout out? What's your Instagram?
Euphemia speaks.
Say again?
Euphemia speaks.
Euphemia speaks.
Yes, sir.
Alright, no problem. Blessed love and respect. Massive. You can go check her out. This is what she's doing. That's what you're gonna do right now on the beach?
Yes.
Oh yeah, so you recorded?
Yes.
Oh, that's super cool.
You caught us right in time. We're literally about to get started.
Alright, so you mind if I catch a little bit of what you're doing? Alright, that's fine with you? Alright, man. That's cool. Let's see. So she's currently setting up right about now. So we're gonna see what this is all about. This is really interesting for me. So you can follow her on Instagram and see what she does. And yeah, she does it on the beach. That's super cool. Loads of breeze, and even though the temperature is really on the temperature turn up overside. But yeah. like a comfortably precise massage, focusing on like the spine and stuff like that, more subtle. Yeah. This looks so relaxing, like super relaxing. Mad. Wow. You take care. Great. Looks beautiful. Oh, yeah. A Jamaica walk by. Oh. I have it on video, so I'm gonna make sure I follow you, okay? That is it. So it's Jamaica walk by. Blessed love.
No one reminisces about that one time everything went exactly according to plan. So soak it in. Because summer's greatest.
Hello. Hi guys. You guys do me a favor, just hang out outside of these cones, please. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Hey, did you see whose glass this is?
They've been there for a while.
Oh, okay. It's crazy. I'm trying to watch the sun out my slippers and it's putting something like it's putting more in. Where are you from, man? Here? Miami?
No, not Miami. West Palm.
Oh, that's good, man. Big up yourself. I'm Jamaican. Yeah, just visiting. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, I was capturing some content and stuff like that. Yeah. Do you do anything like that?
Content? Nah.
Yeah, I know that. This is nice to live near it. The thing
Jamaica's not too far from here.
is, Jamaica is nice. Kind of tropical and things like over here, but I guess here in Orlando, to me, is way hotter than yeah, I'm getting sunburned, and I'm not getting that in Jamaica. Okay. Yeah. So you take good care, man. Big
Yes,
up
sir.
and respect, all right? So, take it easy. Darling, careful, it's strong. don't know. Yeah. Bless up to everybody who watch the video. You know what I mean? This is just the beach settings. It's a massive, massive, massive shoreline. You know what I mean? Tons of people everywhere. This beach can never be filled and it is super clean. As you can see, the bins are here. Tell me, if you see one speck of trash on the ground or a paper, only that wicked because there's none. The beach is super clean, very, very well kept. And big up to this place for keeping this beach so beautiful, so clean and thing. What a vibe, you know what I mean? It's the first time for me on this beach, so I really wanted to see what Miami Beach look like and thing like that. So it was crazy, it was a vibe and I love it. Yeah. Too bad me run out of time, so I have to make a trod back out on the road and things like that. But me I open I love the local walk on the beach. You know what I mean? Big up to all of my G them. You know what I mean? You see Instagram them for a few persons that I spoke with. You know what I mean? So bless up on yourself. Big up all of my ladies them. All of my big people them. All of my people them who support Jamaica walk by throughout the years. One love, respect, and please may I ask you to continue to support Jamaica walk by on this journey. You know what I mean? So yeah, mad love, mad respect. I feel blessed, even though I'm tired. We've been at it. Crazy amount of walking over here in Miami. I'm gonna tell us that the sun, no normal. The sun is like out of this world. The sun is crazy. Never felt this hot in a long time. Yeah, man. Trust me. So, as you can see over here, you have persons playing volleyball and things like that. Yeah, very well constructed beach. This is a very nice place for persons to live, you know? No joke. Can I kick it? Respect. Yeah, so big up to all my supporters. I super appreciate every single one of you. Mad love, mad respect. And Miami, that was Ocean Drive Beach, and we're now walking back out on Ocean Drive, and it's just amazing. No joke, no doubt. Woo! Never been this hot in my life. I'm just a wait on the pipe, you know. Warrior. That is Ocean Drive. And the beach is actually on that side. Yeah, it was great. Wow. You guys sisters?
Nah, we married.
Oh, nice. Bless up, man. You know what I mean? Seems like we have really good chemistry, you know, so tell them to start look alike. OMG. Yeah. I'm from Jamaica. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh yeah, my dad. Well, my
Yeah.
friend from Jamaica.
Mad thing, man. Yeah. Kingston and Clarendon. Yeah. Them places I'm forward, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. First time for me in Miami Beach, and trust me, it's just
I'm ready.
amazing. What?
I'm ready to go home.
Me not ready yet.
Yeah, I'm ready.
But I have to.
Hey, look,
That's the
do a
difference.
schedule for me.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah, bless up myself. Yeah, man. Oh, wow. So, different culture, different everything. Just I wash off my foot and thing. Big up on yourself, my people them from yard and abroad, you know what I mean? We outside. Everybody a live, brother. Everybody a do their thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. Cheese and peace. Me need the next hand. Alright, so you don't know. Big up on yourself. When they make it like this, how can we use it the right way? It's gonna be crazy.